a great choice today with the 2019 INFINITI QX60. The INFINITI QX60 is the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. This crossover SUV not only provides ample space for passengers and cargo, but also an interior that screams luxury. In addition, the QX60 offers extremely high levels of safety, all with a sleek new design. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power liftgate, heated seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, fog lights, power windows, heated front seats, security system, rear window defroster, CD player. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.